In the runway show, model MARISSA DUBOIS captivates in a striking bold blue monokini-style swimsuit by Hot Miami Styles. The one-piece features a daring asymmetrical cut with a single shoulder strap and high-cut legs that emphasize her curves. The design includes strategically placed cutouts at the midsection, creating the illusion of a two-piece while maintaining the sleek look of a one-piece. Two side ring details at the hips add a touch of edginess and structural charm to the overall design. Her look is completed with matching statement earrings and clear strap heels, which maintain the focus on the swimsuit while adding height and elegance. Marissa's long, wavy blonde hair is styled loosely, giving off a carefree yet confident beach goddess aesthetic. This outfit embodies contemporary beach fashion, both sexy and stylish, designed for women who want to make a powerful impression poolside or at the beach.